Hi girls, welcome back. It's Friday and I'm going out, so let's get ready and then I'll try to vlog a little bit of me out too, so this can be like a well-rounded fun little video and you can see the look in action. I've got my Gator light going because I forgot to order new electrolytes. Let's get started on the makeup. So this is just gonna be a full-on in-depth talk through makeup, get ready with me tutorial. Full glam going out makeup. So I just primed my face with NYX face glue. So I start my makeup with my eyes. I do my eyes before my base. I am going to use the NYX Super Lock Clear Brow Gel. This has been my favorite brow gel for the past around a year or so. So I just kind of brush my eyebrow up and then smooth around the edges. I've been heavily considering bleaching my eyebrows just because I love the girls who just do it and they look so chic. Am I too uncool to do it, or is it just a mindset? And once I do it, I'll embody it. Okay, so we're gonna do the eyes. I kind of just do something similar every time. I just might switch up the shades or the tone. So this time around we're doing a little bit of a blown out smoky look, a little slight wing, and some glitter. I want to go for a more smoky cool tone look. I use my Kylie Cosmetics smoky palette. I'm going to start by placing just a neutral shade on my lid because you don't want your eyelid to be sticky from your skincare or your primer or anything before you put your eyeshadow on, or it'll kind of look inconsistent and a little bit choppy. Then I'm gonna go in with a bit of a smaller brush and a little bit of a deeper brown, this shade Coal right here, and I'm just gonna kind of lay that down on the lid closer to my lash line, so we're getting kind of more of that, just kind of building our foundation here. I like to work from light to dark, obviously. I'm not really scared to do this messily, you know? You just kind of want to slap it on and keep blending and then see where things land. Gonna go in with the shade Ash here, bit of a darker gray. And then just slightly dragging out because we're going for that a little bit of a winged out look. Further, I'm just gonna take a little blending brush with nothing on it and just try to blend these edges so that they look a little bit softer. Okay, now we're gonna go in with the darkest shade, Snooze, just kind of a black. Going back in with a blending brush and just gonna soften all those lines again, but not gonna drag it out too much because I don't want this to go everywhere. I still want it to be fairly centralized. I really do think my favorite hobby is looking good, going out and posting Instagram stories. I truly live for it. I look forward to it. It's honestly a part-time job. Every weekend I clock in, I look good, I go out, I have fun, I have the best Instagram stories. This is what life is about. So excited to go out tonight because it's so hot now. It's officially summer. We've already had our first beach day. I don't have to go out with a jacket. So for our sparkle, of course, we're going in with the famous, perfect, gorgeous Urban Decay Space Cowboy eyeshadow. It truly can't be beat. Well, I haven't tried many others, but it can't be beaten in my mind. So I'm just taking it with a dense flat brush so I can really pack it on. And I'm low-key just gonna wash it all over my lid so that my eyes just have a sparkle to them at every angle. So I'm just gonna press because I don't want this shit to go flying all over my face. Bring it to that inner corner. Oh, yes. I don't know if you guys can see that. Cherry on top for my go-to eye look is black eyeliner. Using the About Face Longwear Gel Eyeliner. I'm gonna start by lining my waterline, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of a tiny little wing. And I go nice and heavy with this shit because on a night out, oh girl, do I love a dark fucking eyeliner. So I think to drag and smoke out this eyeliner, I'm just gonna use this angled brush here and try to just pull it out a little bit. Oh, that worked fabulously. Cute. Super cute. Okay, Okay, so now I'm gonna just do my lashes. So I'm gonna curl them, put on mascara, and then I'll show you guys. I might put a couple clusters on. Okay, girls, so I just did my mascara. This is the CoverGirl Lash Blast Volume Waterproof. If you genuinely have like the most insanely stubborn eyelashes that are straight, this is the best mascara I've ever used. My mom's friend started this like lash business, Edit Beauty, and I am gonna try out her lashes for the first time. They come like this. We've got 10, 12, and 14. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna pop this on the outer corner. Oh God. Okay. They already have like adhesive on them, so they're like self-gluing or whatever. Thank God, because I stopped putting clusters on when I went out because putting the lash glue on pissed me off too much. Hey, that looks so cute. They're like very fluffy. It's honestly quite similar to my natural lash length, but I don't mind that. Didn't make the most dramatic difference, but you know what? I'll feel it. I'll know that I have a cluster lash, and I'll know that it's elevating my look. Hey guys, now it's time for the base. Honestly, like my favorite part. I love doing my base makeup. I start with the Kylie Cosmetics Skin Tint. Oh my God, I just love this stuff. Like a blurring formula, but it's still, it's not drying. So yeah, I'm a fan. You need to get it. I have to tell you guys that the biggest hack for getting your makeup to look really beautiful and smooth and flawless is to shave your face. Like, you have to have a hairless face to really get that smooth look. And I have like a hairy fucking face. I shaved my whole forehead, like all my cheeks, like my chin, literally my whole face, my mustache, and that's the key, you guys. Next up for me is contour. So I'm using the Morphe creamy bronzer stick in the shade Sizzle Sudden Heat, and then I'm just gonna pick it up with a brush. On a night out, I definitely go heavy-handed. It's because, you know, it's dark, and if you want that really full beat, you gotta put that shit on. It's a really great product. Morphe is so affordable, and I'm very happy with this. Before we move on, I like to do like a reverse contour. So I'm taking my concealer, which is the Rimmel Multitasker. It's very much like Tarte Shape Tape, which is one of my favorites. I love a very heavy, full coverage concealer. I'm taking this is shade 70, and I'm just bringing it underneath the contour just to make sure it's like clean and sharp. I take a small brush and I just slowly blend that out. And I just blend it all the way down to the corner of my mouth because I like that fucking chin strap of concealer. That line is still a bit too harsh for my liking, don't you worry guys. So I take my bronzer brush or my contour brush, and I just kind of run this over that line so that it blurs it together just a little bit better. Oh, and then also I feel like I didn't mention like my skin prep for before I do my makeup. I use the Thayer's Milky Toner, and then I use my go-to Pond's moisturizer. For blush, my favorite blushes in the world are the Kylie Cosmetics powder blush sticks. Okay, I've been loving this pink one, but I think tonight I'm going for like a deeper look, so I'm going to use this red one. This is the shade Never Too Much. Okay, here's the full with the boots. Oh God, cute. Nigel got ordered fucking Red Lobster. Like, who does that?
It was 40% off the grilled shrimp. It's actually terrible and probably frozen.
Yeah, well. Well, you ate that shit up, didn't you? You ate it though, didn't you?
The rice is overcooked too.
Okay, vlog, so I literally just had to count to 3 so Nigel would start getting ready. He's fucking insane. Hi, so I'm cracking my drink Got a little peach moment. Nigel's in the shower. Nigel's finally ready. But like worth it.
I just have to do my.
Vlog, he's telling me about his lip exercises.
So yeah, I started like doing stretches here,
Oh.
and then
But does that create smile lines?
no, because you're not holding it. Like that's from over time.
It's repeating.
So I'm just like lifting my muscles here. It's like exercising it.
Like this? Hey, hey, hey. I give it to you. We in the Uber now. We in the Uber now vlog. Gaganawara. Oh. Okay, we're going to the pre now. Nigel's on my last nerve. Oh.
Love you. Before we get there, where?
Give me a drink. One. Give me a drink. Two. Hey. Hey. Hey.
This is lightweight.
Oh my god, I love that. I'm just